The finished product is beautiful. The bodywork and paint quality are extremely high, and the doors close with a thump and a click. The all-aluminium body panels are in perfect alignment with factory gaps, and the exterior trim looks fresh. Every part of the truck has been rebuilt and the frame has been blasted and powder coated. It is a nut and bolt, frame-off restoration, but ECD does make a few modifications to the truck along the way. This includes 200 pounds of heat and sound insulation, as well as ditching the Rover's S-springs for more reliable steel Defender units. They also replaced the original Borg-Warner chain-driven transfer case with a tougher gear-driven unit from a Defender. But there's nothing vintage about the Rover's powertrain. Gone is the original Buick-derived 4.2-litre V8, which was rated 200 horsepower, and its factory 4-speed automatic, replaced by a new 6.2-litre LS3 and a 6-speed automatic. The engine, which is throttle-by-wire, is supplied by Turnkey in Oceanside, California, which moves the power steering pump with new brackets to clear the Rover's steering box. Except for the handmade coolant expansion tank and the location of the air intake, which ECD is still playing with, the installation looks factory. The seat is firm and the seat bottoms are short. Factory stuff. Although the quality of the leather, now perforated, has been taken up a notch. You sit tall in the Range Rover, high above the window sills. Aside from the custom gauge cluster and the Alpine touchscreen with nav, Wi-Fi, Apple CarPlay and a backup camera, the interior is restored original right down to the airbags. This truck also has a GM shifter from a modern Chevy Traverse, but you can keep the Rover shifter if you want to. The air conditioning is ice cold.